Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download the latest Python 3.13 version. So first let us go to the Chrome browser and type python.org, and in the download section, so you can see download the Windows option. So in the stable releases, so you have the option that is Python 3.13.0 released on October 7, 2024. So let us try to download this version that is for the 64-bit. So you can see the Python 3.13 has already been downloaded. So let us try to open this. So you can see the option that is install now and customize installation. So we can choose the install now. So you use admin privileges and also add that is python.exe to the path. So latest installation is in progress. So generally it takes time for installing the Python 3.13. So let's wait until it's done. So you can see that setup in progress. So let's wait. So you can see the setup was successful. So let us try to close this. And now let us try to open the command prompt and just type Python version. So you can see the latest version, which is the stable version released by Python. So it is Python 3.13 has been installed. So that's all I had in this video. So hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.